I believe that every Australian home should at least have once an amazing barbecue feast. So I'm going to show you how to make the best one. Very simple, big platter, lots of ingredients in the platter. Let's start with lots of chilies. So red chilies, green chilies. Now we're gonna go nuts. We're gonna do a lot of chives. When we grill seafood, we lose a lot of the flavor. So don't be shy, we got lots of seafood. Make sure you put lots of ingredients. Okay, as a Spanish chef, garlic goes everywhere. My mom used to tell me, 1 garlic clove per person, whatever you do. Even if it's breakfast. No, maybe breakfast, no. So citrus bring the best out of seafood. And I'm gonna use just the outside. The outside has got a lot of flavor and a lot of aroma. The last ingredient is one of my favorites in the world. This is ginger. Look at this. There you go, no wastage. The whole thing we're gonna use. And this is the $1 million shot. Look at this. Now it's about the time to start putting the seafood. So we got calamari, we got swordfish, scampi, prawns, mussels, PBs, and some scallops. All in the bowl and just get touchy-feely. Look at this. Oh, oh. And remember, a seafood feast is all really simple. As long as it's fresh, you can make a seafood feast at home. And now we are ready for the grill. Grill, baby, grill. OMG. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Stop it. If you cannot handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. Okay, so while I'm waiting the scampi, the prawns, and the rest of the seafood to be ready, I'm gonna cook something fantastic. The best tapa in Spain. Pan con tomate. We're gonna get a few pieces of sourdough. We're gonna brush with olive oil. See, toast away. While this is happening, I'm gonna make the easiest tomato sauce in the universe. So you get a fresh tomato on a plate and just grate for it. Go for it, go for it, go for it. And then look at this, all the skin. And check this out. That's what I'm talking about. Now, a little bit of beautiful olive oil, big pinch of salt. The easiest tomato sauce in the universe and the tastiest one. Just grab a little garlic clove and rub it like this. And make sure you get that fresh garlic flavor. Oh, yum! Now, we put the tomato sauce right on top of it. Pan con tomate. Look at that. The prawns look really bright and orange. They got that lovely color, so they're ready to go. The scampis become really orange, so you know they're ready too. And the calamari just look beautiful, golden brown. And this looks absolutely stunning. What a feast. And the finishing touches, the icing on the cake, is a little bit of the marinade just drizzle on top. This is really what I was thinking, what I wanted to cook, a delicious barbecue seafood feast for everyone. Plenty of recipes like this and more in our amazing A to Z of Mmmm in the Stockland website. Yeah!